Granddaughter. Dear Morgan Michelle, hope you have a happy little Easter. XOXO, attacks and kisses. God bless you at Easter and always. Have a fun day. Lots of love and hugs. Gramps and Graham Osborne. Uncle Casey, Auntie Jillian, and Auntie Christina. P.S. The summer outfits and the bunny are for you. And the candy is for your mommy and daddy. That's the candy's for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't eat that, okay? So let's open your outfit. Can you help me? Can you help? Come on, you got it, girl. Rip it. Rip it. Yeah. Woohoo! Look, it's a bunny. And look, Morgan, look. Those are cute. Look, Morgan. Oh, it's 2 pieces. Morgan, look. What do you say? Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Can you say bye? Can you give him a kiss? Say, mwah.